We're in the bungalow basement and we're about to start cleaning up. First, we're going to clean up some wiring. We have doorbell wiring, and we also have phone wiring, so we have to figure out what's what. Also, we have the gauge for the furnace. We don't want to touch that. We've already figured out where that is, so we'll leave that alone. But the telephone wires can definitely come out and clean things up here. We also have this plumbing situation where the kitchen sink is now over here towards the center of the basement on the, I guess it'd be the south side. It used to be over here in this corner, which is why they ran the plumbing down the wall all the way around over to that corner where it goes then into the septic line outside. So or the sewer line, I should say. So what I need to do here, or what I'd like to do is, instead of running over here at almost a flat, I'm going to cut it here and then run it down the center beam. And it'll fit through there just fine. So that's what we need to do, start cleaning up, start cutting and rerouting. We're going to try to use all the old pipe except for the copper. We're going to save that out for some other stuff. But otherwise, we'll use all the PVC, reuse it. I did pick up some new stuff and some elbows, so we should have enough.